What's up guys, it's Joseph here, unboxing video. So I wanted to unbox this 45 millimeter Milanese loop I got for my Apple Watch Series 7 stainless steel 45 millimeter. When I ordered this, I got the braided loop, which I enjoy. It was just a little big, and then I started using this Nike Sport band from the Series 6 that I really enjoy. It's like one of the most comfortable bands, but I wanted to change it up and get something that's kind of, nice looking, so when I go out or want to look a little bit more professional, then I think the stainless steel looks really good. I mean, obviously this is a fairly expensive band. I mean, this comes in at $100. I didn't get it for $100. I got it for cheaper off Amazon. It is new, it is sealed. But yeah, I wanted to unbox it and just show you what you get when you just get this instead of getting it with the watch. So let's see what we got. Let's see, a little pull tab. Let's see if I can get it. Peel that off. This should just open up, I would think. Somewhere. Oh, this is embarrassing. How in the world do you open this? This isn't even open. Pull tab should just... Got it open from this side. Wasn't the easiest thing to open. I thought with that tab it would have been easier. It's still fighting me. Oops. Apple Watch. And there it is. Let's see. Let me just lift this from here. Yeah. Let's move this aside. And yeah, there it is. It's nice. It's got a little sticky there. I think there's one in here, yeah. Let's see how it looks on the watch. Here's my watch. Slides in there. And then you just wiggle it on there and it should be good. It feels really tight. It feels like the magnets are good. I do like this because it makes it seem more like a premium watch. But it looks good. Looks really good. So it's really up to you if you want to get this or not. I mean, $100 is pretty expensive for a watch band, but you know how Apple is. There's obviously other alternatives out there, but this one I hear holds the color well and the magnets are much stronger and it looks a little bit better. Like I said, I didn't get it for the price that it starts off with on Amazon, but it looks pretty good. Compared to, this is what I wore every day, the Nike Sport band from a couple, I think this is actually the Series 5 one. I know the Series 7 has the Nike logo on it now, but that's not this one. Anyway, that's the Milanese loop from Apple. Catch you guys in the next one.